H2Glow. No! Hey everyone!
And welcome back to Linda Hallberg's channel.
As you can see, this is not Linda, not this either.
May I introduce to you Felicia?
I'm the social media manager here at Linda Hallberg Cosmetics, and this is
Ida Gorban Ibrahimi, and I'm the CEO of the company. And we have been challenged by the Queen herself.
Yes.
So-
it's now our turn to show you guys the newness.
Oh my god. And as you all know, Linda Hallberg is the queen of a specific product. Which one, you might wonder? The Eternal Eyeliner. Yes, you heard me. It's coming, it's liquid, and it's pure perfection. And this eyeliner is just not any eyeliner. This eyeliner has what we call a free ink system, which means that the ink freely just flows through the whole shenanigans. And this means that there is no dosage, there's nothing pre-dosed, there's not a pumping up product. It's actually the flow creating the dosage automatically. And this means no dry bristles, no dry brush, no dry anything. And the perfect thing about the brush tip is that it's made of synthetic bristles, which was like the biggest demand of Linda. Because if we would have mentioned tips, she would have been like, no, something like that. And the perfect part of that is that it won't dry out. So you won't struggle with eyeliners, drying halfway through. This will give you flawless perfection in just one swing.
Perfect. It's super long lasting, and that's because it's water resistant, smudge proof, and flake free. Free of everything.
Exactly. And it won't move even if you're out in tropical heat or pouring rain. And to all the brides out there this year, this will stay in place. So you just go ahead and cry those joyful tears. Perfect. But there's really something you need to be thinking about when it comes to the Eternal Eyeliner.
Yes. And that is that this eyeliner needs to be activated.
Activated.
The reason being is that we wanted it to be as fresh as possible when you receive it.
Exactly.
Do you want to show them how you activate it?
Yes. So when you get your eyeliner, the first 3 or 4 times, you need to shake this mama. Just
Shake,
like
shake,
this,
shake.
about 6 or 7 times. And then you always store the Eternal Eyeliner upside down. And this is... and this is
With the tip facing down.
With the tip facing down. And this is because we have this free ink system, and that needs to go all the way down and wet the brush completely. So that is why it takes a couple of times before it's super loaded.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We did it for you because we wanted you to have a fresh product.
Exactly. Fresh, freaking fresh.
Freaking fresh.
Freaking fresh. Did you know that Linda wanted to name this eyeliner Frickin' Eyeliner? We said no. So, Eternal Eyeliner.
I mean, Eternal had to be in the name because it is so long lasting.
I've had this for 9 hours and I'm counting.
It looks awesome.
I know, I do.
I know. Okay, jumping into the next product.
Oh my god.
Da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da.
Are you excited? Okay, the next product that we're launching, because the next product that we're launching, and by the way, have you noticed that we're actually launching 2 products this time and not just one?
There's a first time for everything.
Product is H2Glow Face and Body Mist.
Yes, baby.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
What's really interesting about this one is that it really flirts with the high quality skincare ranges, plus challenges the instant makeup category.
Exactly.
It's pretty awesome.
It's pretty awesome. It's freaking fabulous. It's everything you could ever wish for in a bottle. It's a biphase formula, which means that it needs to be shaken, not stirred. I did that.
We have great humor here at Linda Hallberg Cosmetics.
Of course we do. And the beautiful combination of different ingredients will make sure that your skin does not only look flawless, it will actually get loads of antioxidants, it will give you moisture, and it will give you glow like never before. So we call this a glow on the go product. Well, and now you might wonder, well, how do I use this beautiful multifunctional mist?
I'ma tell you that. Okay, so how to use H2Glow. It's quite easy. You can kind of do whatever you want with it. So either you can start by using it as kind of like a primer, especially if you have dry skin. So you just shake, 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 a couple of spritzes, and it's the perfect makeup base.
Yeah.
Or you can use it after makeup, kind of like a setting spray. And that will really lock in the moisture. It will just make the makeup look even better than before. The third way to use it, if you think of more, please tell me. But the third way is that, of course, you can use it as a touch-up during the day.
Yes.
Because we all need hydration.
Yes.
During summer, during winter.
Yes.
I mean, in the winter, especially here in Sweden, it's dry as so we need hydration every day. And then in the summer, the sun is like on your skin. It's you always need a little bit of moisture.
Yeah, and you need a perfect balance between moisture and some like oil just to keep everything in place and nourish the skin.
The first thing you can think about is that this mist, you don't need to use a lot.
No.
Because it's very potent. So 2 short spritzes or 3, no,
the other way around.
So 2 long spritzes or 3 short ones is definitely enough. Yes. Are you ready?
Do it. Do it.
I think that's good. Wow. The mist itself, like the mist, it's so fine.
Yeah. It's like
it's like someone is caressing your skin with nothing but something.
Yeah, exactly like that. We're launching Monday the 4th of March. We are launching Eternal Eyeliner
and H2Glow face mist.
So be ready to wing it
and mist it.
Oh yes. See you.
Bye.
Enantiolien.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ja, vänta, jag måste...
A little bit.
Well.